DailyPay lets employees access earned wages before payday by pulling approved earnings directly from employer payroll systems instead of waiting for the standard pay cycle. By the end, you'll know how DailyPay actually moves money, what changes in your paycheck timing, and whether it's useful or just a short-term fix for cash flow problems. Start with what DailyPay is doing. DailyPay connects to participating employers and tracks your earned wages in real time. That includes hours you've already worked but haven't been paid for yet. Now, explain what that means. You are not taking a loan. You are accessing money you have already earned through work. Now explain the system behind it. Your available balance updates as you work shifts. When you request a transfer, DailyPay sends part of that balance to your bank or card. Now explain the key requirement. DailyPay only works if your employer is partnered with the platform. Without that integration, there is no access to earned wage transfers. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is timing flexibility. Instead of waiting for a scheduled payday, you can access money sooner when expenses come up. Now, explain the trade-off. Every early transfer reduces what you receive on your next payday, because the wages are simply being paid out earlier, not added on top. Now, explain the biggest misunderstanding. DailyPay does not increase your income. It only changes when you receive income you already earned. Now explain who benefits most. It is most useful for workers with steady pay cycles who occasionally face timing gaps between bills and payday. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful if you need early access every pay period just to cover basic expenses. That can turn it into a dependency instead of a convenience tool. Now explain how it compares to loans. DailyPay is not credit-based. There's no interest because you are not borrowing future money or repaying debt. Now, explain the key limitation. Availability depends entirely on employer participation. If your company is not integrated, the app cannot be used. Now, summarize the core idea. DailyPay is a paycheck timing tool, not extra income. It gives early access to earned wages through employer integration. And its value depends on occasional cash flow needs, not constant use. One practical next step. Check with your employer before downloading DailyPay, because eligibility is the only thing that matters for access. If helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps without confusion.